So good morning, our final day on Koh Samui. In fact, we're about to get off. We're going back to the mainland and yeah, like I say, Pattaya Island, take 2. Underwhelming, but beautiful accommodation where we stayed. So we're now at the ferry port. We're going to go and see if we can't get a coffee. I'm just trying to avoid getting run over. So here we go. This is the ferry area. Is it closed? Is it closed? It said the mini mart. Huh?
You want massage? 20 baht.
Have I got 20 baht? Should we try? Not one. Okay.
No, you're not fine.
I need to make sure I got 20 baht. Okay, we're going to try a massage now, right here. There we go. Give it a go, eh? Okay. I don't know. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, we're gonna.
Give me.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
What the hell? Oh, I'm not even putting it in the right hole.
Got it.
I don't know. You tell me. Do I have to press anything? 2, 600. How's it going for you? Oh, it's lying you down.
Yes.
I'm definitely going to have a go on this for sure. Feels uncomfortable. Okay, so I'm going to try it as well. Let's go for it. Yeah, cash in here. Oh, I always get the wrong direction. Right, okay, here we go. Right, oof. Oh, here we go. Actually, stations. Okay, I've never ever been on a massage chair before.
The moment, darling.
Is it good? It's shaking your leg. You're vibrating. I'm going to put my head back that way. Alright. Let's see. Oh, hello. Oh gosh.
Leg very short. You feel?
Oh yeah, I'm feeling that now. Gosh, wow.
It's good. I tell you.
Gosh.
It's good. It's very good.
Wow. Well, that's very interesting. Eh?
I use mainly some in Bangkok.
I've never had one of these before.
No.
So, what did you think, Snow?
I like it.
It's quite bad, is it? Actually,
Yes.
it's quite good for just a chair. Yeah, it gives you a vigorous old go, doesn't it? Vibrates you and rubs up and down your back. Oh. Right, we're ready for the ferry now.
100 for 15 minutes.
I couldn't even do 25. I think it's too long on that. It's quite vigorous. So now we're gonna. What? I thought there was a mini mart here. What's through there? Yeah, let's have a look. There was a local shop over there that I think they do drinks. Let's go and have a look. We walk down here to see if there's a possibility of getting a coffee or it's just cool drinks. We don't know. Who knows what else? They have coffee. Alright, do you want a coffee?
Yes.
Let's have a coffee then.
Yeah, they have coffee. It's great coffee.
Oh, cool. So yeah then, shall we?
You want coffee?
Sawasdee krap.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Coffee?
Coffee.
ใช่cappuccino?
ไอซ์อ๋อฮอต
Lon, hot. Yeah,
เอา
try.
ร้อนใช่ไหมคะใช่แต่ให้กองร้านของบิวโฟ just have latte normal
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
have
Oh, my bad.
ไม่เป็นไร
Latte.
what you want latte
Oh, that's fine.
you come
Latte.
latte
Latte.
เอาลาเต้ให้แก้วหนึ่ง
So here we are. Latte. Hot. Well, we've just come to this local shop here. Grab ourselves a little coffee before we embark on our voyage. So today we'll be ending up back at Suratani, and then one night Suratani, and then we are off again tomorrow. We have arrived. This is on, what's the name of this lake? River? Sapan Narit River. The river. Sapan Narit.
Yes,
no, it's not.
Sapan Nalit.
Bridge.
Not bridge, but say Nalit. They say Sapan Nalit, but the Thai word maybe.
Let's just clarify. The name of the river is the Tapi River. That's quite big, quite dirty, but you know, there you go. Obviously, nightlife. There's supposedly some night market around here. It's just like another Thai city, I guess. You know, it's yeah. I don't have much more to say about it. It's just another place. I'm glad I came. I've always wanted to come here, I must be honest. I have wanted to see this place just to see what it's like, and it's just another Thai city. I think I've enjoyed more of the places in the country, the places that you don't expect to see. I've enjoyed those more so far on this road trip. So there's slightly out of the way places where we find by accident. Major cities are very alike. It doesn't, I must say one thing, that it doesn't look like anything I've seen in the north. Because in the north it's much sort of flatter and more open spaced, and it just feels more relaxed. When I say the north, so let me be clear, northeast, so it's Isan. In the Isan's where I have travelled before. The only place I've gone in the north is Chiang Mai. So, and Chiang Mai was quite busy with traffic, but it was much more controlled, you know what I mean? So let me show you around for now anyway. I like the way they do stuff here. They put real effort into making things look pretty. I'm not going to spend too long showing you all of this, just wanted to show where it is. So tomorrow we are in fact still in Suratani province, I believe. We're going to quite a beautiful place. I won't say what it is quite yet, but yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to that. That's another national park we're going to tomorrow. I have seen it on other YouTube channels, but I didn't make the connection to where we're actually going, and it's the same place I've seen before, so I'm quite happy, pleased about that. Looking forward to seeing it. And yeah, this is probably going to look more impressive at night, if I'm honest. They got all these lights set up. I think they look quite pretty at night. We might come back later. See the massive Christmas tree there? The Suratani Christmas tree anyway. I think this will look better at night. All these lights and stuff, I think it look quite pretty.
Because at night time, I think maybe beautiful.
Yeah.
Because and we want to come tonight, and they have like their own town, like you remember Phuket? They have like this.
Patong.
Yeah, the same.
Walking street.
Not like a building, same like this. Not walking street. Have in the Phuket like this, the same, but here not far from here. But they like.
So then I would suggest what we do. I mean, what does Joe say on the phone? What does he want to do? What does Joe want to do? What's he doing?
He just walk and just look and take a photo and something. He turn camera like this and talk.
Yeah, but when you said to him now, what did he say to you on the phone?
And I say, I'm here.
Yeah.
And then he walk somewhere, and now he call. I said, hello. Oh, it's not free. Yeah.
Probably worth coming back tonight, actually, so I'm thinking.
You remember
And have a chill.
rock